Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Friends, today let us gain knowledge on integration testing bottom-up approach. Friends, when software developers are developing the project in the modules format and they prefer to start the development with the smaller modules or the sub modules, and then after developing the sub modules they are developing the main module. The test team had to follow bottom up approach for integration testing. Integration testing takes place from the bottom to up, that means the minor or a sub module to the main module, to ensure the system is working as intended. As in this case or scenario, the main module is not available to test or to integrate with the sub modules, we are using drivers. Drivers are used as a temporary module for integration testing. Driver is a temporary program which is used when the main module is under development or it is not started for the development process. This driver will provide connection to the submodules like the main modules and return the data control or the flow control or screen connectivity to the submodules. Friends, you can see the slide. The top module is not available, but the bottom-up modules are available. The sub-modules are available. So we had used the driver as a top module and we had integrated them and did integration. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.